So
what
what
you
you
see
see
is
is
comes
comes
pre-built
pre-built
with
with
it's
it's
like a
like a
template
template
from
from
Canon.
Canon.
So
So what
you need
you
to do
need to
is
do is
remember
remember
our
our
smart
smart
contract was
contract was
like
like
a
a
game,
game,
was
was
like
like a
a
game.
game. So at this
So at
point
this
you can
point you can
rename
rename
the smart
the smart
contract,
contract,
and as you
and
can
as
see
you
the
can see the
construct is the
construct is
token
the token
authority
authority
public
public
key,
key,
which
which we have
just
just
retrieved
retrieved
from
from
here.
here.
And
And
we have our
we have our
enemies, which are
enemies, which are
player
the
moves.
player moves.
We have
We
our
have our
event,
event,
and we have
and
our
we have a
function
function
play,
play,
which is
which is
like our
like
main
our main
engine
engine contract.
we have
We have a
parameter
parameter
payload.
payload.
Then
Then we
we
have
have
the
the
player
player move,
move,
which
which
we
we
already
already
handled
handled
in our
in our
smart
smart
contract, our
contract, our
smart
smart
contract.
contract.
And then
Then
this
this
point is
point
where
is where
you try
you
to
try to
access
access
the
the
response from the
response from
kernel.
the kernel.
In
Like
our
in our
instance,
instance, you are trying to
a
get a
random
random
number from
number
our
from
kernel.
our kernel.
This is where
This
we
is
are
where we are
collecting that
collecting that
random number.
random number.
So
So
it's
it's
checking through
checking through
the
the
kernel
kernel
responses,
responses,
and if
and
it
if it
matches
matches
our
our
kernel
kernel
ID,
ID,
if
if
you
you
remember
remember
our
our
kernel
kernel
ID,
ID,
it
it
assigns that
assigns that
uh,
uh,
response
response
to
to
our random,
our random,
and that
and that
becomes the
becomes the
computer
computer
code.
code.
So that is
So
how
that is
you
how you
incorporate,
inco- uh,
use
use
the
the
kernel smart
kernel
contract
smart
templates
contract
to
templates to
incorporate your code.
incorporate your code.
So
So the code from
the
so
code
the code
from
from
what our
what
earlier
our earlier
game,
game,
our
our
simple game
simple game
before,
before,
you just
you
move the
just move the
logic,
logic,
like
like the
this logic,
this logic,
just move it
just move it
into the
into the
template.
template.
As you can
As you
see,
can see,
it's
it's
kind of the
kind
same.
of the same.
We
We
have
have
our
our
enemies,
enums,
our
our
events,
events,
and
and
our
our
loop
loop
to
to
check
check
for
for
the results
the
from the
results from
kernel,
the kernel,
which
which
we
we
compare
compare
with
with
the
the
results from the
results from
player.
the player.
So
So
in
in
order
order
to
to
so
so
fast
fast
we
we
compare
compare
this,
this,
like now
like
our
now
smart
our smart
contract.
contract.
So
So
for
for
this
this
you
you
can
can
deploy
deploy
it
it
on
on
any
any
chain.
chain.
So
So
I will
I will
compile it.
compile it. Give it a minute.
So it's
It's
compiled. Then
compiled.
we
Then we
deploy it
deploy
on
it on
your
your
network of
network of
choice.
choice.
So you're not
So
going
you're
to
not going
choose
to choose
Sapphire. You're
Sapphire.
going
You're
back
going
to
back to
base
base
Sequoia.
Sequoia.
And
And
at
at
this
this
point
point,
they
they
are
are
asking
asking
for
for token
token authority.
authority.
So
So
we
we
copy
copy
that
that
from
from
here.
here. And we deploy. Yeah. So, right. So it's confirmed. So
Our smart
our smart
contract that
contract that
is
is
pulling
pulling data
data
from
is
is
deployed.
deployed.
If you
If
want
you
us
want
to,
us to,
we can
we
test
can
that
test that
if
if
you
you
allow us.
allow us.
So
So we say, oh, we have to move up.
um,
Um,
so our
so
smart
our smart
contract is here.
contract is here.
So
So
we
we
need
need
to
to
register
register
this
this
smart
smart
contract
contract
on
on
the
the
kernel,
kernel,
the
the
kernel
kernel
platform.
platform. So
So
I mean, I will register with we deploy it on all the transport address. Our kernel ID was 1 1681. Network token authority address. Okay, have it. Yeah. The buttons. It's all it works. I'm not sure why. Let's see. Checking this side. So this transaction is likely to fail. Just try our luck. This transaction failed. I'm not sure why. Okay. Let's see. You can try again. Okay. I think I'll share this once it's successful. Okay. So cover integrating with the front end in the next meetup. Thank you.
Nice, great work, Fred. Incredible work. I believe, guys, we have learned how basically we just write a simple function like the one he introduced, the rock paper scissors, and then now getting to deploy the contract and also register it through the kernel ID. And also you have seen some of the things that I got to mention, like the token authority, also more of how you register it and how you can use it, and also how you can monetize it if in case you want to charge others who wants to use the same functionality. So I believe due to the interest of time, so I believe people got to ask questions. I told guys to ask questions to the chat section. I can see Chris, and I believe he was answered, also Charles. So also I sent a WhatsApp group, a local WhatsApp group community, which we do share. And if you have any questions, you could channel it on the group also. So thank you guys. So Fred, could you just undo your screen sharing? Okay, thank you. So for me that was it. I hope you guys got to learn anything, like something from the demo that Fred has taken us through. I mean, it has been, I believe he explained concepts more in a very easy manner, so that we could get to understand it. So if so, I don't think there's any other more questions. If you have any questions, also you could channel it on the group, so that you could get to be answered. And also, if you would love to have more chat about how you would want your project, be it Web2 or Web3 project, which needs to be integrated, and you have seen the benefits of using such kind of technology in your project, you could also shoot a DM to me and get to use it through your project. I will guide you as well, and we also have the technical assistance team for the kernel ecosystem who could help you to integrate it in your project. So any questions, any highlights anyone has?
Hi Alan.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
So not really but a highlight. It is something that I've had being mentioned and sparked my interest. If I deploy like I saw Fred create a function, then he registered on the kernel. He mentioned that you can monetize when anybody uses the function. Like it can be monetized. Like I can now get monetary from it.
Yeah, sure.
I'd like you to expand on that
So here's the thing, it's like a kind of way of, let's say, because remember, like what I said, these kernels, when you get to register your smart contracts, they are more of like functions that more help easily integrate with your project. So let's say I'll just give a logic, for example, how the bank systems works, right? So you'll find that each and every branches, let's say Equity, KCB, and NCB, and the rest, like there is the same model that they use. So instead of building your own bank from the scratch, why not just get to kernel, get other existing functions that are already working and registered, and then now you get to use more of the integration into your project. So now assume now that you are the first person who registered that functionality, you could get to monetize your functions which were already registered, so that you could charge to whoever person who needs access to more of their APIs and get to use it into their projects. Yeah.
Thank you. That was very effective.
Okay. So any last remarks? So I'll be wrapping this session, and also I appreciate and thank you for your time. I believe you got to learn one or two things from the demo that Fred has taken us through into, and so that's it, and thank you for the session today. Also, just to emphasize, last meetup, some of the guys got to post more of the screenshots and tweets about the lesson, and our winner was James Osonga and Charles Juma, and I believe they received their rewards. And I know Sheila, are you there?